Like, I don't know why some of them are concerned and some of them aren't. I don't know.
Milk?
Some don't seem to give a shit. Some seem to care.
Huh?
What is this, milk? Because now that dude over there, like, you'd think he would be all like, oh. Okay, I should not have done that. That was...
I should get one more.
Like, when I press 2 again, it doesn't make it go away. I'm trying to figure out, I was like, how do I make this... How do I put away the camera? Some are restricted and some are not. I mean, what I'm saying is, like, I'm not in a restricted area, though. This whole area is not restricted. It's... where I am should be perfectly fine. And they got very upset. Very upset. And now I'm like, I don't... Oh, wait. Can I go up there?
Maledizione, non ho più scritto quella lettera. Aspetta, cos'è stato?
Okay, now he's concerned.
Non hai speranze! Assaggia il mio punto!
I thought I said eat my ass. Like, no, thank you. Ooh, mystery note.
Let's see here.
Ernesto, remember to clean the outside and the inside. You won't believe how dusty the secret compartments get. Feel free to take anything inside there or discards from my personal collection.
I got a puzzle box.
Ooh, a puzzle box under stress, because I think some Nazis are trying to find me. Let's check this out. Oh, we have an ad starting in 3 minutes too. Ooh, look at the area. Some are restricted, some are not visible on the map. Tell how satisfying it is stealing something when a person isn't looking. You do a small smart every time. It's yeah, because like I want the thing. How are we supposed to... Alright, so on the top we have 4 butt plugs.